The art of switching gears. Mastering formal and informal writing styles. Hello there! Welcome to our latest English language learning session. Today, we're focusing on a crucial aspect of English literacy: transitioning between formal and informal writing styles. Being able to identify and adapt to the appropriate writing style for any given situation is a skill that can dramatically enhance your communication effectiveness. Let's dive into the key components of this topic and how you can master this switch. Before we discuss transitioning, it's important to clearly understand the difference between formal and informal writing. Formal writing is typically used in professional and academic environments. It often utilizes complex sentences, advanced vocabulary, and a strict adherence to grammatical rules. Examples include business emails, academic papers, and official reports. On the other hand, informal writing is more casual and conversational. It often uses simpler sentences, colloquial language, and it may occasionally bend some grammatical rules for effect. Examples include text messages, social media posts, and casual emails to friends. The next step is to identify the right style for your situation. You need to consider your audience, purpose, and context. Audience: who will be reading your writing? A supervisor or professor might expect formal writing, while a friend or family member may prefer a more informal style. Purpose: what is your goal? If you're arguing a point in a debate or presenting a research, a formal style will likely be most effective. But if you're sharing a funny story or writing a personal blog post, an informal style might be better. Context: where and when will your writing be read? A professional report presented in a meeting should be formal, but the same information shared in a casual conversation could be more informal. Transitioning between styles isn't about suddenly using big words or ignoring grammar. It's about understanding the nuances of your audience, purpose, and context, then adjusting your language accordingly. Transitioning to formal style often involves using more precise language, avoiding contractions and slang, and writing in complete sentences. Transitioning to an informal style, you can relax a bit. Use contractions, incorporate colloquial expressions, and it's even okay to start a sentence with and, or, but, for effect. In conclusion, transitioning between formal and informal writing is an art that requires a solid understanding of each style, the ability to gauge the situation, and the adaptability to change your language as needed. With practice, you'll become proficient in navigating these styles and ultimately become a more effective communicator. Remember, communication isn't just about what you say, it's also about how you say it. So keep practicing, and I'm confident that you'll master this skill in no time. Happy writing, and see you in our next session.